I asked 5 different AI engines for the top travel destinations in the world, and the results show exactly why your brand cannot rely on just one LLM for discovery. Let's look at the data. I did a study on Trajan to see how GenAI, so Gemini, Claude, ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Grok would answer a few simple questions on top travel destinations. If we look at the countries from all 3 LLMs, the countries that are ranked are from the top: Japan, Italy, Portugal, Iceland, Thailand, Costa Rica, New Zealand. If we go down, we'll find South Africa down here, probably about 15th, 18th maybe. Portugal was unexpected to me until I realized the British love Portugal. They love the Algarve. And so the LLMs are going to respond to what's being said by British people about Portugal and respond by suggesting that those are the places they want to take their kids. The interesting thing to remember is the answers to people in all 3 of these countries are going to be different, slightly, not terribly, but also the answers that are given by the various engines are going to be different as well, right? So Gemini has Portugal pretty dominantly, Grok has Portugal, Claude has Portugal, Perplexity using Sonar has Portugal, but ChatGPT does not rank Portugal in the top 10, whatever number that is. But we've also got Thailand over here. Gemini doesn't rank Thailand, Grok doesn't rank Thailand, and Japan and Italy seem to be prevalent everywhere except for Perplexity. Perplexity doesn't mention the 2 most dominant countries in their top 10 at all, which is fascinating. We need to also have a look at sentiment, right? If we go here, we can always assume sentiment on an LLM is going to be positive unless something drastic needs to be changed, and then you really got to pay attention. If we rank this from lowest sentiment score upwards, we can actually see some opportunities for a couple of countries that aren't at their 100% mark. And Maldives has a bit of work to do. The USA has some issues to potentially address. South Africa could do a better job as well. And you've got Morocco, Canada, Mexico. And the kinds of things that they could do to fix that is maybe focusing on messaging and product proofs. These are the factors that GenAI really reward most. So safety, ease, accessibility, value, itinerary, clarity, and then maybe back that up with some really strong third-party reviews by incentivizing that, clearer destination explainers, and then content that reduces traveler uncertainty. So let's quickly finish this off by just looking at the rankings. Top cities ranked across all of those countries: Tokyo, Kyoto, that's why Japan's so dominant. Lisbon, obviously, Paris, Rome, Vancouver, Florence, Venice. If we just go have a look at what are South Africans seeing, Tokyo, Lisbon, Kyoto, interestingly enough, if I go to the UK, Porto shows up in the top 4 as well, Bangkok, Mexico City. There's a couple of other variations there as well. So let me know if you want some more of these. If you have an idea of what a big question can be, I love answering these things. I love digging into it. Give me thoughts on what could be interesting to look up, and then I'll give it a go and record it and throw it here. Thanks. Ciao.